Jack, where you going, buddy? Where you going, buddy? Gonna get that remote control if it's the last thing you do. Get it. Get it. Get that remote. Aw, buddy. Aw, buddy.
I believe in you. You got it off from the top of the arm.
Now you're more entertained with your socks. Yeah?
Look.
Dad, help me out.
You're almost there. Come on. You can do it. You can get there.
Today is September the 12th,
It's a tough angle. Here.
2010.
It's a tough
Jack
angle.
is 11 months and 2 weeks old, and this is the first time he has ever walked anywhere. Hey, Jack! Hey, buddy! The TV's on. I can't focus. Football's on.
Now stand up. Yeah. There we go. That's a good way to go. Yeah, you can see it now. Oh, you can see it. You can see it now.
Did I play this out?
You did it!
Say, Dad, toss me the ball.
You want to see the ball? Where's the ball?
I don't know. You got the remote control, buddy.
May I have it? May I have it?
He's trying to turn the TV on. It's not gonna work.
May I have it, Jack?
Give Daddy the remote control, Jack.
Jack boy. May I have it? Thank you, May I have it? Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Look what I've got for you. Ah! Woo! Hey, Jack.
Why don't you play ball with Dad? No? Okay.